A lot of people love tofu, and today we are making another delicious tofu recipe, spicy honey garlic tofu. Let's start cooking. This is something you can prepare for the Chinese New Year, especially for those na hindi kumakain ng meat. Kasi ang dami na mga tao mahilig sa plant-based. But still, even if it's plant-based, this one is still very flavorful. We're just dicing up some firm tofu. Dapat fresh yung tofu natin or else medyo maasim siya, di ba? So, be sure your tofu is fresh. And I have here a bowl of cornstarch seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper. Yan. Toss natin. All I want to do is to coat my tofu. And I will heat up my oil. We will deep fry. Toss lang natin, no? Dredge in our cornstarch. Be sure yung ating tofu dry para hindi mag-drip. Be sure it's coated on all sides. By coating it in starch, mas mabilis siya maging crispy. And the insides will still remain a bit moist, no? Gusto natin yung crispy yung tofu, di ba? Tagal-tagal natin piniprito, pero after, para na siyang karton, no? So we coat it in the starch so that all the moisture in the surface is absorbed by the cornstarch. So sa labas, very crispy siya. Pero yung loob niya, moist pa rin. And usually, pag medyo fresh yung tofu natin, silky pa rin yung texture, which we really like, no? For tofu lovers, I'm sure you will enjoy this recipe. Very few ingredients lang naman siya. Things you may find in your pantry already, no? Fry, dapat hot oil. And no. Yan. So while our tofu is frying, yan, malalaman mo na medyo luto na siya kasi nagiging golden siya at medyo lumulutang na yung ating tofu. I will just dice my green and red bell peppers. Some people add green and red bell peppers as garnish. Pero ako, I really love to eat bell peppers. Kaya ako dinadamihan ko siya. So, dice lang. Ang size niya, medyo kahawig lang ng slice natin ng ating tofu. And I will make my sauce very simple. So, I have my Korean chili paste, gochujang, honey. Not too much honey. Ayaw ko na masyado matamis eh. I just want to balance it around a tablespoon or 2. If you don't want honey, pwede namang sugar. Soy sauce. Stir, combine everything. And water to dilute. And not too much. Yan na yung ating sauce. Then I have garlic here. And some butter. And some leeks. Almost done na yung ating tofu. Yan. And I will just scoop this out. So, ito ating tofu. And I will just add a bit of starch. So, ito yung natirang starch kanina from our dredging. Alayin ko ng konti lang. Just to thicken the sauce a bit. So, let's now combine everything. Our sauce, our bell peppers, our garlic, and everything else. Konting oil. Siguro a tablespoon or so. And now, I will saute my garlic. Saute our garlic. Bring out the nice aroma of our garlic. Now, I will add my butter once my garlic is nicely cooked and very aromatic. I will now add my butter. Around 2 tablespoons of butter. Kasi kung inuna ko yung butter, mabilis masunog. Mabilis masunog din yung garlic, di ba? Dobleng delikado. So, ito siya. Tama lang. Just watch the heat. Now, I will add my bell peppers. Ito, very quick to. I don't want to overcook my bell peppers. I just want to add it now to bring out the flavor. Toss. And now, I will add my sauce. So, very simple. Maganda kasi yung technique na hinahalo natin yung sauce in a separate bowl. We can taste it if you want para alam mo na tama yung lasa. Nice color. That's going to thicken a bit. Add a bit of black pepper. Ang bango. And now, we will just toss our fried tofu. No? Sure, our sauce is cooked, no? Yung cornstarch natin is cooked. Now, we toss. Manamis-namis, malinamnam, mildly salty, pero super sarap, no? Look at that. Very nice, oh. Look at that, no? Masarap din to i-serve sa sizzling plate, no? Look at that. Bango, no? Be sure, and yung sauce natin, tingnan mo, tamang-tama lang siya. It's almost like a glaze. Ito, mga tofu lovers, ito, perfect talaga sa inyo to. So, I thicken the sauce para hindi masyadong mag-soak up ng moisture yung ating tofu. And there's still that crispiness, no? Yan. Ready to plate. Beautiful, no? So, add to our plate. Very nice. Fresh tofu. Very silky inside. May konting crispiness sa labas. You can add other vegetables as well here. Look at that, no? Serve on a sizzling plate. And we just garnish with our spring onions or cilantro or whatever you have. And I really want to taste. Oh. Sarap niya. See? Crispy yung labas. Pero very silky. Steaming hot. Balanced. Perfectly balanced. Oh! And here it is. Napakabilis. Napaka-simple. Nutritious. Delicious. And also very easy to make. Try this recipe at home. Ang ating spicy, honey, garlic, tofu. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!